I know I didn't film this one last month, but we have a September IPSY haul. This month's theme seems to be more back to school, and it says, "You got this, September 2022. Here's what our bag looks like. It is a beautiful, like, holographic bag with a purple zipper. So cute. And the first thing that we have is Origins Checks and Balances Frothy Face Wash. I have used this before, and I really, really, really enjoyed it. In fact, when I was pregnant with my son, this is the only face wash that actually helped me to have clear skin. Nothing else worked. So I really, really, really enjoy this face wash. And yeah, I look forward to using this again. I've never had issues with it. Huge fan of it. In the pamphlet, it says, "One step to melt away makeup and rid our faces of dirt and oil. Sign us up. This gentle paraben-free cleanser gets your skin super clean without stripping thanks to nourishing meadow foam seed oil. Tip, it doubles as a brush cleaner. I have never used it as a brush cleaner, so definitely gonna need to try that out." It says, "Work a pea-sized amount into the damp bristles, then rinse." This is a deluxe sample, and the full-size product is $26, and it has 150 ml. This is 1 fluid ounce. The next product we have is Pear Nova Hydrating Cream. Here's what it looks like. Cute packaging. I'd like to smell it. I'm all about that smell. Ooh, it kind of smells like sunscreen. Yeah, it kind of has a sunscreen smell to it. Ooh, but it's also kind of light, if that makes sense. It says this is Pear Nova Hydrating Cream in coconut and eucalyptus. This cream, I bet the coconut is what I'm smelling when I'm saying sunscreen. I bet it's not sunscreen. It just smells like sunscreen because a lot of them have coconuts. This cream helps to moisturize your hands and body for softer, more hydrated skin. Stash it in your bag to reapply throughout the day and avoid dry, cracked skin. Tip, apply generous amount to hands and slip on cotton gloves to seal in the moisture. This is a deluxe sample. It is 1 ounce, and the full-size version of this product is 120 ml, and it's $17.50. The next thing I'm finding is a brush. It's very soft, and I kind of like these ridges on the handle that it has. Gives for a nice little grip. Here's the brush head. Very soft. This is by LaRousse Beauty. It's a LR007 tapered blending. It says, "Blend, blend, blend your shadow and problems away with this soft bristle tapered makeup brush. It's perfect for creating those diffused eyeshadow makeup looks all over your feed. Tip, use the clean brush in windshield wiper motions to get the best eyeshadow blend." This is a full size, obviously, and the MSRP is $28. The next thing that we have is Gold Faden MD Problem, Tired Eyes. Solution, Bright Eyes, Dark Circle Radiance Concentrate. I can use this. As we all know, I have some dark under eyes. I'm super excited about this one because, well, I have dark under eyes. I'm a tired mom, and I could always use some dark circle radiance. So this item, it says, Gold Faden MD Bright Eyes Dark Circle Radiance Concentrate. This lightweight brightening eye cream helps minimize the appearance of dark circles, puffiness, and fine lines for a youthful rested glow. It's powered by arnica, which is known for help soothing bruises and swelling too. Tip, pop it into the fridge for a few minutes before using it to further help depuff your eyes. I bet that would feel so good. This is a deluxe sample. The MSRP of the full-size version is $55, and it's 15 ml. This is 4 ml. The last item in the bag is, I'm gonna have to look at the pamphlet because quite honestly, I am not sure what this is, but it's very pretty. This is Love Craft and Beauty, which they've also sent their eyeliners before, and they've been really, really nice. This is Glare Gloss in Romantic. You'll want to wear this golden peach lip gloss every single day. It's not too shiny, not too shimmery, and not the least bit sticky. Use it alone or over your favorite neutral lipstick for a perfectly glowy lip look, and prepare for it to become a staple in your makeup kit. Tip, swipe onto bare lips or apply over your favorite lipsticks. This is a deluxe sample. The MSRP of the full-size version is $16, and that one is 3 ml. This is 1.8 ml. Let's open this and take a look at the color. There is the color Romantic. It is pretty. You know what? Let's try it on right now. Well, I don't think that really changed my lip color, but maybe by itself it'll be a little bit prettier, so we'll try it again in the future. Also, I'm not sure if you are aware, but you can add items to your glam bag for no extra shipping, and I tried a few products this month. So I picked up the Way Scalp and Body Scrub. I'm hoping this helps with dandruff, to be completely honest. So I'm excited about using that. The next item that I picked up is a hydrating eye cream. Had I known that I was going to get another hydrating eye cream, I probably wouldn't have picked this up, but this is by First Aid Beauty. And those were the only two items that I picked up this month. I've just never added to my glam bag, so I wanted to see how big these products were. And like this scalp scrub seems pretty big. As usual, I will post about these products in the future once I have tried them for a little bit, especially the lotions and the creams, just because it's kind of hard to see how I like them after one use. So TBD. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. I hope you have a lovely week wherever you are, and I will see you next time. Bye.